Meaning of magnolia.
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 Magnolia. Magnolia is a type of flowering plant that is native to Asia and the Americas. The name magnolia comes from French botanist Pierre Magnol, who named the genus in honor of another French botanist, Pierre Magnol. Magnolias are known for their large, showy flowers, which come in a variety of colors, including white, pink, purple, and yellow. They are often used in landscaping and as ornamental trees or shrubs. Additionally, magnolia has symbolic meanings in various cultures, such as purity, nobility, and perseverance.